Doing fine. So today we'll see, upcasting or dynamic reference. So till now we had just seen that, what is abstraction. So let's have a quick recap of abstraction. What is abstraction? Hiding the code or hiding the implementation. And we can achieve, abstraction using two ways, that is interface and using abstract class. Now with interface we can achieve 100% of, abstraction, and using abstract class we can achieve from 0 to 100. And the reason was for that because in abstraction, let me show you abstraction class. This sebi is my abstraction. In abstraction, the abstract method as well as non-abstract methods are allowed. Now what is the difference between abstract method and non-abstract? Abstract method will not have any method body, whereas non-abstract method will have to have a method body. Now you cannot create object of abstract class, either interface. So you'll have to keep that in mind. Okay, you cannot create object. If you want, I'll show you right now here. Just say sebi, declare a main method over here, and now just say sebi s equals to new sebi. That's how we create, right? Look what it says. Cannot instantiate this sebi type. It's not allowed, not allowed. Now if you want to check that, so the same thing in interface, just try to create one main method over here. Main method has been created, and now just give, try to create an object. How to create? RBI r equals to new RBI constructor. Look, you're not able to create. What it says? It says you cannot instantiate this type RBI. So we have to keep that in mind, guys. Okay, that you cannot create object of abstract class or, you know in interface. Now the main thing which we wanted to learn in this session, dynamic reference or upcasting. So what is the definition of this? So this is nothing but upcasting is a process of converting a subclass reference to a superclass reference. Now what is this? So it's simply subclass reference. What is subclass reference? We can say child class, you know child class reference to a parent class reference. Let's see how is that, what is this line. Now let me create a object of this class. This is a ICICI bank class. How to create an object? So class name, then variable, reference variable name, then equals to new, and then class name. Look, since this is a normal class, we are allowed to create an object of this class. We created the object. Now let's suppose that I said that, that RBI R equals to new, and I'll say ICICI bank. Look, what is this? Till now we have seen that you are just declaring class equals to constructor, the same name class, but here you are saying interface equals to, look this. I mean, what is this? There is something new you are seeing, right? So this is nothing but upcasting, guys. So what happens? You can do upcasting for any classes. Just try it, okay? For now, we'll just try for this. So what happens? Using this R, using this reference variable R, you can just call all the methods of RBI, but you cannot call a, you know, any other method of ICICI bank. Whichever is, so whichever is the left hand side, you can just call that side methods using this object. So let's suppose I'll say R dot, let me check, deposit money I am able to call. It comes from which class? You can which, so it comes from interface, deposit interface, deposit interface. So that is nothing but upcasting, guys. Let's try to check, is that again true? Okay, so how to do that? Just say R dot, try to find anything from ICICI. Can you find here RBI object RBI? But you cannot find anything from ICICI. Why? Because that's the rule of upcasting. That with the rule of upcasting, you can, it gives you the flexibility to access the parent class member only, not the possible to access all the child class member. So you are just, so this is right now parent class, you know, RBI R. So R dot deposit money, and then R dot whatever, what else, method is present. So I'll say open account is also present. I can say R dot, then which one? Withdraw money. That's all. Only these through methods you can call. Now using ICICI traditional, like whatever we have seen till now, I dot, look, I can call deposit money of ICICI bank. I can call I dot do KYC, which is coming from SEBI. So because the left hand side is right now pointing to ICICI bank, so this reference variable can call all the methods which are applicable for the this left hand side. Now this left hand side has how many methods, guys? This has this class methods, okay, this class methods, plus this has SEBI class methods, plus this has RBI class interface method, plus this has test interface methods. So that is nothing but upcasting, guys. Please try, and if you get any doubt, any confusion, please let me know in comments. Thanks for watching, guys.